Ubak polling do Menteri Ketna Tourism ke jela haka santrik naitu ula pentep baka sorkar kan pha ka to kat ningut ki samla ki badan benta haka ban penyat ya ki jaka jengok kai ban lei pentebit yala de syakari Philippines. Ka jing temu kalong na ka benta ban kentiu bat penroy ya ka kam jengok kai perthai haka jela. Unong kit ketenri bathamai jong ke India ha Philippines Jane ulawan jengok ya ka Meghalaya syuaban shimti ya ka syuki ha Manila. Ban yo i markmar ya ki jingroy jong ka tourism ha kene ke jela. Ka Meghalaya ka don ka jingya day baya jan bha bat ka ri Philippines namar ki briu jong kine ki artali ki jaka ki bang ya karwai ka siaw ka put ka tembat ka syat ka kemen. Ka ktin pedeng ru ka day ka pareng English ka ba ki briu ki ngothu mar kaliang. Nalor ka tabun ki briu ka Meghalaya bat ka Philippines ki day ki bana ki nyam Kristan.
Nadang shu yo banyak kendo mantan ya Mr. Harsh Kumar Jain bolawan ban jungo yang hani hak office trekam secretariat lalong teng nongkit tins ambassador jongka India hari Ukraine but mentau net hak next stint jungu the posting jungu kabare Philippines di kajing jungo wan ni kendu jungu yang kalong kemu menteri badepek ya tourism kekamshan juga perthai arts and culture namar gidan bun ki aka ki wa kini ki artali ka Meghalaya bat ka Philippines ki yesriam kawai kadai kajing klan jongi hal yang keput kedem ka bakiru ki klan ba te ni lekran Jepang kumno ba kinaurai ki jongki kinyo ban jungo ka jala jongi bat ki jongi ya kari ki jongi bat kumju ba namar ki la khamyat maki khamsha khamat kumno ba nginyo ban learn ru naki te ni lai penbet ru ba ni ka program ke jongi ka Meghalaya grassroots music production MGMP ngin kan long ka jing plialinti ba ki kena samla ki jongi ki ba mata ki don kumbalai hajar tam apo jong ka ni ka MGMP kinla ban yo lat ban lek ban pen ka sap ka pong jongki sha Philippines but ki jongki ru ba kinyo ban wan sha ni ka jela ka jongi te nilai kran ru shapang ka tourism uni ambassador ula kular ba undang ban jengo ya ki bun ki benta jongka jela Meghalaya but lapan pauru ba ulong bakloi ban plia kalat kalenti ba kum ha ka feel jong ka kwat ka kya ka ba ki samla ki jongi ki la ba ban serve ha ka healthcare industry hang taru na ai ka jing kashan bat ka ba kham ai advantage ni kolong ba ki briu hang thie kumbolong mangi shani ni klan ba ha ka English te ka communication kan longa sok ka rukom ka kran ka khana ka isrium shibun but ngi kmi tiru ba ka jingdon ka ju khamtam deiru wa pulelang badu chief secretary jongi ha ka ju ka batch te ka lenti ka ple ba ngini trai rengkat na ka benda ba boro atli kiri kinyo anong daga jingi day para maki. Ndang workout ya ka taka program ka ba mingkong shwa kalong ikwa ban penseluruh ya kini ki samla ki bangla identify lembaga tourism department apo juga ni MGMP te ya menta ni dang ile ban jet ya ki kenuhun bat ya ki riu shimat ki bat tebit do na ni program bat ngin ai ki kani ke platform amtang ha Philippines ndai hakui pada kiri dah sedang syana South Asia.
Well, the purpose of my visit to Shillong is to promote relations between the Northeast region and Philippines, where I'm going as ambassador in about next few weeks' time. You are perhaps aware about Act East policy of the Government of India, which primarily the objective is to promote relations between the Northeast region of India and countries of the ASEAN, in the Southeast Asia. So I have come here to acquaint myself with the culture, with the history, as well as developments in the state of Meghalaya, and also, the tourism potential of the state. Well, I actually reached Ukraine after the evacuation was over. So I began my assignment in Ukraine from April 2022. After the assignment, after the evacuation operation was over. But I'm aware about the evacuation that was done in the month of February, March 2022. It was certainly very difficult operation, but I'm glad that we were able to evacuate all Indian citizens, who wanted to leave the country successfully. Some of the students returned back when the situation stabilized, specifically in the western Ukraine, to complete their studies. So, in the last semester, there were about 2,500 students, mainly in the western parts of Ukraine. Well, my initial reaction is very good. I'm amazed to see the beauty of the city and the state of Meghalaya. I had opportunity to visit some places in the morning today. It's really amazing. I'd say Meghalaya has a very good potential for tourism promotion. Happy to support them in any way they would want, and I'll be in touch with the students when they reach Manila, and I'll suggest them to be in contact with the embassy. I'll be very happy to meet them if at any point of time they would want to come and see me.